Hi everyone. This is another video of another unboxing of a beautiful baby. This one's a girl again. Um, I get these from a lady on Mercari, which I have. If you've ever seen any one of my other videos, I have purchased three babies from her. And what she does, she will take babies. She will purchase babies from like Um, I don't know where she gets them, but probably from Mercari or AliExpress or Amazon or maybe a mixture of all. And then what she does, she weights them. So this one I actually asked her to make for me, and what she does, sometimes she'll make babies for certain people for people. Um, okay, and her name is under Suenos on Mercari, and I will show more of her information um, after the video. Okay, this one, like I said, this one's going to be the Lottie. Okay, um, she is a replica. She's not the original Lottie, so she's going to be a replica. She's just been weighted. Okay, let me see. Okay, can't wait until, because this one I had specially made for me. Okay, let me see. Okay, got your look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There she is. There's my baby girl. There she is. She's so precious. Like, oh my goodness. And she is heavy. A heavy little girl. Oh my goodness. These are extremely heavy, guys. If you get one, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look. She got her diaper on her head. Okay. All right. They come, usually will come with a passy. Okay. Oh, okay. She's got a little bow. Okay. Okay, this is her passy that probably came with her. Okay. Here's her passy. This is the one that I think she makes these. I don't know if she makes them or where she gets these from, but they're cute. Okay. All right. Whoops. Okay. Here's her little bow. Okay. And here's this pink. You know what these are. If you ever purchase anything from Temu or AliExpress or Amazon, you get these plastic baby things. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. And you get a little thank you card. She gives a little thank you card every single time. Okay. This one. Okay. 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 Oh, okay. This is what she says. She says, she gives her information, her Gmail, but I don't want to give that out because have not asked her if I could give it out. So I'm not going to give that out. It says, thank you for your continued support. I appreciate you remembering me, and I'm glad to know you're enjoying the mini you have bought. Truly appreciate you. Enjoy. Okay, let me see my baby girl. Isn't she so cute so far? Oh my goodness. Look, them little shoes. Oh, okay. Alrighty. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's such a big girl. Oh, she is such a big girl. Let me see here. Oh. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, she is so heavy. Oh. Just like her other sissies, her older sissies. Okay. Let me grab her around the neck. Okay, let me see. suffocating in there. Say, get that off. Okay. All right. Now, here's her. Oops. Oops. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at this beautiful girl. Yeah, she's a pretty girl. Oh my goodness. Look at her. Oops. Oh, ain't she cute? Oh my goodness. Looky. This is the Lottie. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, and she is weighted. Yes, she is. Look at this pretty dress. Oh my goodness, look at this. Here's her little shoes. And she's got little socks. Okay. Okay. And she does have a cloth body. Oh. Okay. Let's see. And here's the back of her. Okay. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my goodness, she's so pretty. Okay, okay, let's get over here in the center here. Whoops. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, isn't she pretty? Whoops. Oh, her hair. Yeah. She looks a lot like her other sissy that I got. Oh my goodness. Okay. Um, okay. Oh my goodness. She comes also, she has the ears pierced. But the earrings, I don't think the earrings come out. I don't know. Wait a minute. Yeah. I don't know. Because I don't know how to get them out. And I don't want to tear her ears up. So, she got two little teethy in the, and that's it. That's all her teeth. And she probably could take a passy. Uh, oh, let me see. I think it's magnetic. Yeah, it's magnetic. Let me see. See? You can use that one, or you can have her other passy. Okay. Okay. Isn't she pretty? She's so pretty. Yes, she is. She's just like her other sissies. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna pause this real quick, and I want to show you my other babies that I got from her. Okay, I'm gonna be right back in a minute. I want to show you my other babies that I got from her. If just in case this is the only video you've seen, but I have made other videos. Okay, oops. Oh my goodness. Okay, okay. All right, I'm gonna pause this, and I'm gonna show you my other babies that I got from her.